Today what we're going to take a look at is adding one-step equations. Our first problem here is x plus 3/4 is equal to 3. And notice how the problems, well, at least the problem that we're going over here has a fraction. Okay, so let's go ahead and take what we have learned previously about fractions and whole numbers, and let's see if we can use that to solve for x here. So let's start off by using step number 1, which is subtract both sides of equals by 3/4. Okay, so we have x plus 3/4 is equal to 3, and I want to subtract 3/4 on both sides of the equal sign. And what ends up happening here, a number subtracted by itself leaves us with 0, and then we just rewrite the remainder of the problem here. Okay. Now, step number 2. Simplify I was going to put right hand side, but let's go ahead and just say simplify the problem. Make things a little bit simpler for us here. So we have x plus 0 is equal to 3 minus 3/4. So if we simplify to the left, we have x plus 0, which is x, is equal to 3 minus 3/4. Okay. Now, from here, we know that any whole number has a 1 in its denominator. So let's go ahead and rewrite the whole number 3 as 3/1 minus 3/4. Okay. Now, what we have previously learned with fractions is anytime we are subtracting or adding fractions, we need to make sure that we have common denominators. So the common denominator here looks to be as 4. Okay, since we have a 1 in the denominator of 3. So that means I have to multiply my numerator and my denominator by 4, since this is my common denominator. And then from there, I need to simplify. So I have 3 times 4, which is 12 over 4 minus 3/4. And so now we can subtract since we have common denominator. So we have 12 minus 3, which gives us 9 over 4. And therefore, x is equal to 9 over 4.